I'm Molly McInturff. I am a junior Rutgers Mason Gross actor, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about why I chose Mason Gross. So I'm currently coming to you from London, where I am training at Shakespeare's Globe, which was a large part of my initial attraction to the program. This is part of the Rutgers Acting program degree requirements for us to do some classical text training over here. But that's not all we get to do. We also get to continue on in our Meisner classes, which is the primary, though not the only, acting technique we study here at Rutgers. But more than this, we also get the opportunity to go on cultural trips and theater trips. I was initially very attracted to Rutgers because of this emphasis on classical training. But what I discovered when I got here is a really, really wonderful artistic community as a whole. Loved the ability to learn from other artists and have friends within the dance program, within the music program. I've got quite a few friends that I'm very close with that are stage managers. And personally, I think one of the best ways to learn as an artist is to interact with people from different disciplines. What makes Rutgers Theater so special is it doesn't just train actors, but it hones artists. I think is the most beautiful part of the program here and what has made Mason Gross the most special to me.